Good afternoon, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Peace of be all. Fairfield, pressure the racial of our literature on system interconnection, cause expels on subtime and data security and security. Okay. System interconnection is our network global gateway, makes the interconnection of instrumentation system integrate various instrument, device, or measurement, equipment, implement, and network data so that becomes a means data transfer communication. Discussion background, the interconnection of system instrumentation, many data network function and contained in small element include encryption, compression, description, FTP, and introduction to cryptography. And refer to the way data processing instrumentation device are connect and integrate with its the support, process, and transferring submit data. And therefore, in instrumentation system interconnection course will focus on explaining the support element, process of connection system, and the element include following encryption, compression, decryption, FTP, and introduction to encryption. Are you ready? Okay. Problem points and three problem protocol and standard. Every connection function with instrumentation of each element needs to take into account the compatibility and interoperability requirement between the various device and protocol UARTs. Competition overhead. Running encryption, decryption, and cryptography process often requires significant computation recursion which increase the computational load on device. And safety and security. Although propose and running the SUS program from data security, improve integration, and lead to wanted security gaps and efficiency to evaluate and test security of that. The fourth place introduction, I am from group 17, and my name is Dedi Setiadi, and my colleague and Abdi Diva Febriansyah, and the lecturer Bapak Insinyur Dwi Oktavianto Wahyu Nugroho ST MMP. Encryption. Introduction of instrumentation system in the context of encryption is the process of organizing and managing interaction between devices involved in data security process. It excludes setting up connection between sending or receiving device as well as transferring encryption data over secure communication channel to ensure data security and integrity. As the connection setup stack, instrumentation device must be well communication with other to initiate the encryption process. This therefore exclude the exchange of information as well as encryption chaos parameter. Request to secure to communication and data transfers by the instrument device. And encryption function and implementation. Encryption function sendiri, encryption function data confidential protect sensitive information from access by another parties be converted into unreadable format with encryption key, communication security, keeps data secure when transfer file over network stores in digital stores by encryption message of file, privacy protection, protection user privacy by encryption personal data such as password, financial information, and identification data. Encryption implementation, file encryption, user encryption algorithm, the stores, file stores, and store device, the local of both storage, message encryption protects the privacy and security of communication via email, text message, or message PPSB encryption the message sent. SSL encryption used to scarce communication between the web browser and server by encryption data transfer over the HTTPS protocol. Ya nggak?
Okay, and then compression and decompression. In the con in the context of compression and decompression, the instrument system interconnect is responsible for facilitating the transfer of compressed data from the sending device to the received device. This involves setting up appropriate communication interface and coordination between the device involved in the process. Once the data arrive at the receiving device, the system interconnect also enable the process of decompressing the data for proper rest. Okay, next. And then there are compression and decompression function and implementation. First, compression and decompression function. First, bandwidth saving is by compressing data before sending it over a communication channel. The amount of bandwidth required can be reduced, allowing for faster and more efficient data transfer. And then storage space reduction. Data compression also help to reduce the amount of storage space required, which can be critical in environments with storage limitation, such as instrumentation devices that have limited memory. And then improve network performance. By reducing the size of data sent over a network, compression can help improve network performance by reducing latency and speed up response time. And then there is a compression and decompression implementation. First, compression protocol. They use compression protocol such as zip, gzip, or bzip2. Compress data before transmission or storage. Second, compression algorithm. Selection of an appropriate compression algorithm based on the characteristic of the data to be compressed, such as Huffman coding, LZ77 or DFLAT. Third, data decompression. The use of decompression process to restore data to its original format after it arrives at the receiving device so that the data can be properly reused. Next, VTP or Virtual Trunk Protocol. In the context of VTP, instrumentation system interconnection include the setup and management of connection between network devices involved in the tracking protocol. This involves the configuration of network hardware, such as a switch and router, as well as the proper setup of network interface to facilitate the transfer of data over an optimal trunk or communication path. Next. Kemudian there is a function and implementation. Function. First, FLAN management. VTP enable network device to automatically detect, create, delete, and manage FLANs within the network. The simplifies FLAN administration and setup, allowing users to organize and manage FLANs consistently across the network. Second, FLAN configuration distribution. VTP distributes information about the FLAN configuration, including the FLAN number, FLAN name, and FLAN type to all the devices in the VTP domain. This ensures consistent offline configuration across the network and reduces the risk of misconfiguration. Third, reduce administration overhead. By using VTP, FLAN configuration change only need to be made on one device, usually the VTP server, and the information will be distributed automatically to other devices in the VTP domain. The reduced administrative overhead and speed up the FLAN management process. And then VTP implementation. First, network device configuration. Network device such as switch and router need to be configured to support VTP. This includes enabling the VTP protocol on the device and determining whether the device will act as a VTP server, VTP client, or transparent mode. Second, VTP domain assignment. All devices in the network that will participate in VTP must be set to the same VTP domain. This ensures that all devices can communicate and exchange plan information correctly. Third, VTP version management. Devices in the network must use similar VTP version to ensure compatibility and security. Users should also pay attention to VTP version management to ensure the configuration changes applied to one device are consistently distributed to other devices on the network. Okay, next. And then there is basic to cryptography. The interconnection of instrumentation system in introduction to cryptography involves setting up the connection and transfer of cryptographic information between various devices involved in a cryptographic process, such as the transmission of encryption keys, digital certificates, or encrypted messages. This ensures that cryptographic information can be transferred securely between the devices involved, maintaining the confidentiality and integrity of the data. Next. And then function from basic to cryptography. First, data security. The main function of cryptography in instrumentation system is to protect the security and confidentiality of data transmit or stored in such system. This helps prevent unauthorized access and prevent sensitive information from being hacked or accessed by unauthorized party. Second, data integrity. Cryptography can also be used to ensure data integrity by digitally signing or hashing the data. This allowing the system to verify that the data has not been altered or manipulated during the transmission or storage process. And then implementation from basic to cryptography. First, data encryption. Cryptography implementation often involve the use of encryption algorithm to secure data transmits over network or storage in instrumentation device. This involves the process of encrypting the data before it is transmitted and decrypting the data after it is received. Second, cryptography algorithm selection. The selection of a cryptography algorithm that suits the needs of the system is very important. This can include algorithms such as AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, RSA, or ACC, elliptic curve cryptography, depending on the desired level of security and the nature of the data being encrypted. Third, key management. Cryptography implementation also requires code key management. This includes strong key generation, secure distribution of key to authorized parties, as well as key life cycle management such as rotation and destruction of key that are no longer in use. Okay, next. And then we will into the journal review. The topic is blockchain-based digital right management scam via multi-authority ciphertext policy attribute-based encryption and proxy re-encryption. In this journal, there are the problem. The problem is, in order to ensure the confidentiality of digital content, improve the fairness of digital copyright transaction, and reduce the time and management overhead of digital copyright owner. We propose a blockchain-based digital right management scheme, as well as key life cycle management, such as rotation and destruction of key that are no longer in use. For the state of the art is first, we design a multi-authority text policy attribute-based encryption or MACPABE scam, and so that the new MACPABE has the indistinguishability of plain text under adaptively cushioned plain text attack or INDCPA security and good performance research gap. By combining the MACPABE and proxy encryption, the right owner can flexibly sell the copyright to different users with one's encryption by an agent who cannot access any information related to digital content when changing the text access policy as required. Okay, next. And the new method is by using the smart contract of Ethereum offered that of the decryption case between the right owner and right request in implement. In order to further improve fairness, another blockchain is used as a let's to store information related to digital right, which greatly reduces the storage overhead in public blockchain. Security analysts saw that our scam can provide INDCPA security, resist collusion attack, and protect the user privacy. And then the conclusion is performance analysts saw that our scam can profit aware of future to meet the various needs of user. The simulation results show that our scam is very efficient compared to other scam. Okay, next. The conclusion from the materi we explain is a program process of interdata to mean of security in transferring and processing data is in brief encryption, compression and decompression, VTP and cryptography introduced are key element is in system interconnection to improve network security, efficiency and management. Encryption keep data confidential, while compression and decompression reduce the tasks for efficient use of resource. VTP facility file management in computer network. Introduced to cryptography provide the theoretical basis for the implementation of cryptographic technique. Used wisely and effectively, this element allows system to operate securely and efficiently. Okay, next, next. Okay, if you have question, you can type in the comment and we will answer later. And then thank you for the chance from we. If we wrong words, we apologize to you all. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.